Good morning friends, welcome to our e-learning class. Dear students, you tell me, suppose you eat too much, then what will happen? Suppose you have taken food on a larger quantity, then what will happen? Yes, of course, it will trouble you. Similarly, here today we are going to learn one story named A Triumph of Surgery. Here, Mrs. Pomfrey, who gave lot of food to her dog, and then it was getting problem of overfeeding. So, the author of this story is James Alfred White. He is known by the pen name. Pen name means nickname, Upanam, James Herriot. He was a British veterinary surgeon, surgeon means doctor, and also writer who used his many years of experiences as a veterinary surgeon or doctor to write a series of books, each consisting of मतलब समावेश होना, each consisting of stories about animals and their owners. So he has written many books about the pets and their owners or masters. He is best known for these semi-autobiographical works, beginning with If Only They Could Talk in 1970, which spawned a series of movies and television series. Now this word is here, that spawn, SP, SPAWN, spawn का मतलब क्या होता है? To produce. And he has written many semi autobiographical works. Semi autobiographical works का मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब हमारे राइटिंग में हमारे खुद का जीवन के बारे में और प्लस कुछ इमेजिनरी राइटिंग आता है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड सेमी ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल वर्क्स. इट मीन्स natural about our own life plus something imaginary or fictitious characters. That is the amalgamation or mixture of semi autobiographical works. That is called semi autobiographical works. So this James Herriot has written semi autobiographical books, and beginning with If Only They Could Talk in 1970. So this is the series of books and which produced, spawn means to produce, which produced a series of movies and television series. So based on his book of Animals and Their Masters, If Only They Could Talk in 1970s, based on this book there is a many series of movies and television series. So what is this, what is the story here? Introduction of the lesson. So present lesson, A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. He was a vet. Short form or congested form of veterinary is a vet. He loved dogs and had a number of experiences with dog and their owner. So veterinary means a surgeon or doctor who treats animals and takes care of them is known as veterinary doctor, or in short form a vet. So that James Herriot loved much dogs and had a number of experiences with dog and their owner. He has given very interesting accounts of his expressions. Accounts यानी information. Expressions यानी uh, explaining or expressing our own views and ideas. So he has given many interesting things about his ideas and thoughts in his life regarding animals and especially dogs and their owners. In this lesson, he tells his experience with a rich lady, Mrs. Pumphrey. She loved her dog and overfed him. There was a rich lady. The writer knew her very well, and she was living in his neighborhood. But a problem was with a lady that she overfed her own dog, and the dog was seriously ill. He treated the dog without medicines and surgery. When the dog was suffering from the overfeeding and he fell ill, the dog is personified here, given a treatment of human being. So the pronouns used for human beings, he, she, are used for him as a he. So the doctor treated the dog without medicines and surgery. When the doctor brought that dog to his house surgery, then he treated the dog without giving medicines and surgery. Surgery means operation, but he did not perform any surgery, and even doctor did not give a single tablet or medicine to the dog. So how that we will read it out. The story starts when Mrs. Pumphrey, a rich lady, takes her dog out for a walk. यहाँ मिसेस पंफ्रे हमेशा अपने डॉग को, कुत्ते को ऐसे स्ट्रोलिंग के लिए, घुमाने के लिए बाहर लेकर जाती थी, उसको खिलाने पिलाने के बाद. And a nearby veterinary doctor who knows the lady sees the dog and is shocked as he sees that the dog looks like a blotted sausage with a leg at each end. Sausage यानी ये जो भुना हुआ मीट वगैरह रहता है, तो ब्लॉटेड सॉसेज का मतलब है जैसे कोई एक कुकिंग किया वाला, एक प्रक्रिया किया वाला जो मीट रहता है, मांस रहता है, और जो ऐसा वो फूगा हुआ दिखता है आफ्टर फ्राइंग इन द पैन and processing it. Similarly, the legs of the dog at the four corners of his shoulders, they were looking like swelling, like a blotted sausage. जैसे कि कोई एक फ्राई किया वाला भुना हुआ नॉन वेज आइटम रहता है, स्वेलिंग जैसे आता है उसको फ्राई करने के बाद, इसी तरह से वो उसके लेग्स, शोल्डर्स में ऐसे सूजन आया हुआ दिखता था. He advises her to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat, but Mrs. Pumphrey is not able to refuse him. Doctor advised the lady, Mrs. Pumphrey, now you should stop giving him extra food. But Mrs. Pumphrey was not in position to understand the matter. Soon the dog falls sick and the doctor is called, and Mr. Harriot knew it very well that the dog would be fallen sick soon, and it happened the same. After sometimes very immediately, Mrs. Pumphrey called the vet. The narrator means a person who is describing or relating this story is called a narrator. It means the author himself is a narrator here, Mr. James Herriot. Then somehow takes Tricky the dog to the hospital, even though he knew that Mrs. Pumphrey is not ready to leave her dog, and nearly fainted just by hearing these words. Fainted यानी कि अनकॉन्शियस होना, मूर्छा आना. तो मिस्टर हेरियट जबरन वो डॉग ट्रीकी को, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द डॉग? ट्रीकी. He took the dog Tricky to his house where there was his veterinary hospital, and he knew it very well that Mrs. Pumphrey would refuse. She would not be agreed with him. She would not leave her dog along with him, but still he enforcedly took the dog with him to his hospital, and she would be fainted or she would be unconscious when I will tell her that I am taking your dog at my home for treatment. Now see, in the picture you see Mrs. Pumphrey, that rich lady, that is very posh area in Britain. It is shown in the colony, that is very posh colony. Mr. Herriot writer is talking with her. That dog is also seen there, isn't it? And that dog is lolling its tongue out. Loll out मतलब क्या होता है? LOLL. Loll out का मतलब होता है जो कुत्ता, एनिमल या कोई भी हम आदमी न क्यों हो कि जब हमारी टंग को बाहर निकालते हैं हाँपते हुए, तो वैसे ज़्यादा ओवर फीडिंग की वजह से देखो वो कुत्ते के माउथ से वो टंग बाहर आ रही है, और वो कुत्ता भी पूरा ऐसा फूगा हुआ, सूजन आया हुआ, चारों पैरों में ब्लॉटेड सॉसेस के जैसे दिख रहा है. एंड मिस्टर James Herriot and that lady, both of them talking about that sick dog, and you see the real condition of the dog in this picture. He was completely swollen, and you also see here some images of dull and lazy dogs due to overfeeding, isn't it? So the same happened with that Mrs. Pumphrey's dog. Then he takes the dog along and puts a bed for him in his surgery. Then doctor took the dog with him, and after taking the dog to his home, what happened? The dog doesn't move much nor eats anything for the first 2 days. वो कुत्ते ने 2 दिन तक कुछ मूवमेंट भी नहीं किया और कुछ खाया भी नहीं. On the second day he looks around and whimpers a bit. whimper का मतलब क्या होता है? जो कुत्ते का ऐसा श्रीलिंग, शॉर्ट श्रीलिंग साउंड रहता है, तो इस तरह से थोड़ा सा चिल्लाया. whimpering का मतलब है कुत्तों का जो चिल्लाना होता है, एक बारीक सा आवाज निकालते हुए, कर्ण कर्कश. तो इस तरह से वो थोड़ा सा whimpering किया सेकंड डे. लेकिन 1-2 दिन वो बिना खाए, and the doctor also did not give any food. He only gave the dog only water for 2 days, and he wanted to go out on the third day. For 2 days that dog did not get out from the house, but afterwards on the third day the dog felt to move out of the house, and he also licked the bowels of other dogs clean on the third day. It means doctor gave him a physical exercise. He made the dog run along with his other dogs. He put the bowls of food, and his all dogs ran towards the bowls of food, and little bit. First day that dog could not move a bit, but after, when he saw other dogs are jostling and running after the food, then he was also motivated by them, and he started moving and slowly running, following the dogs. And for coming some days, the same practice was given to the dog, and so there were signs of improving very fast, and he started even fighting for his meals with other dogs, as other dogs were also fighting. Now you see in the picture James Harriet's that doctors other dogs are running. They are very spry and active. Their physical body is very active, as they always walk, move, run, and make exercises, running here and there. So that Tricky also started and following them, and he also becoming, now he was also becoming day by day thin and thin. And here you see that dog is also licking the bowls of other dogs, and James Harriet is watching behind the door. Now when this news reached Mrs. Pumphrey, she started sending him eggs, as she thought that Tricky was recovering from an illness and needed energy foods. And when that Mrs. Pumphrey saw that, uh, meanwhile she was making calls to Dr. Harriet, how was her dog feeling, and she rang up dozens of times to Mr. Harriet, how her dog was feeling, whether there were signs of improving his physical body or not. And so when doctor after sometimes gave her suggestions that there are some marks or signs of improving your dog now, and as she listened those words, then she was very overwhelmed matlab emotional, and she started sending extra eggs for his again build up. Mr. Harriet and his staff's partners started eating those eggs for morning breakfast, but Mr. Harriet was not giving all those scent materials, eggs, and eatables to the dog, because he knew it. This dog should be kept on strict diet. So he was not giving eggs and extra foods. He was supplying the dog very simple food along with his own dogs. And he himself and his other staff servants were enjoying eating the eggs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For improving Tricky's blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in bottles of wine, which was again consumed by Mr. Harriet. Consume का मतलब उपभोग करना. So she was also sending some wines, whiskies for the build-up of dog. But he used to take 2 glasses before lunch and some more glasses while having his lunch. But doctor even did not serve that wine or anything else as extra to the dog. He and his staff were enjoying all these things. Thank you. Next part we will see tomorrow.